Hello, my friend.
Hey, what are you looking so cool, calm, and collected for?
Guess because I'm not the one who's about to die based on some inappropriate decision I made a long time ago.
Thanks for the moral support. I appreciate it. What the fuck ever happened to burying the past, huh? Any fool should be able to turn over a new leaf, right?
Well, first, your new leaves aren't so very different from your previous leaves. It seems like they fell from a pretty similar tree. And second, this is the age of the internet, my Luddite friend. Nothing is forgotten. There are no new leaves. Everything you do and don't do is recorded forever and used to beat you. This is the age of Judgment Day every day. And in the revelation of that, I'd say that you got off pretty lightly. What with all the murders and the thefts and...
All right. This straight-talking new, tell it like it is reality guy act. It ain't working so well for me.
In that case, don't worry about it. Everything is fine. You're a good man and a great father, really.
It's more like it.
Hey, what's up, y'all?
Hey.
So what y'all talking about?
The internet age.
The internet age?
Oh, yeah.
Man, ain't we got a highly defended federal building to fucking rob?
Yes, we do. Let's get after it.
I'm gonna miss this place.
All right, with the sad goodbyes. Agent Stevie cleared the Noose building in Palomino Highlands as a base for this op.
All right, now let's roll on this thing.
Why are you so chipper?
Shit, why you so miserable?
Must be an age thing.
Great. Now there's something to look forward to. What's the plan again, man? And please, let it involve someone shooting you for being so goddamn miserable.
Oh, what is this? Pick on me day? Look, I know I'm a miserable old prick, but give me a break. You and Lester. Shit.
So the plan was feeling sorry for your ass, right? I miss Lester saying that shit, but sure. Let's feel sorry for Michael. Rich, white Michael, poor Michael, who robbed banks for 10 years, then got his slate wiped clean.
Yeah.
Poor Michaels, whose homies get into shit with the FIB out of the kindness of their own heart. Put their necks on the line. Man, where's my get out of jail free card, motherfucker?
I'm sorry, okay?
You know what, Mike? You're a real easy dude to identify with, man. Poor me. Poor me. Man, pour me a drink, nigga.
Okay. I can see. Maybe I've been a little caught up in myself lately.
A little? Man, just give me the plan, okay?
All right. Here's the shot. We're taking a chopper up to altitude, jumping out, and climbing in through the bureau skylight. We hit the computer system. That might take a while, so we gotta hold off any resistance. Once we're in the system, we download the files, chopper picks us up.
Hey, that was real simple, wasn't it? I'm informed now, dawg.
The place is up here. Chopper pilot, gunman, driver, and hacker should be waiting. I'll radio in. Guys, are we ready?
Waiting on you. This place gives me the creeps, Holmes. Same with this Fed pilot.
All right, I need IT outside the FIB building. Ready for the cyber part of this op.
I'll be on standby, boss.
Hey, here we go, man. This is on.
Report, shots fired on,
Listen to some important messages about products I don't want.
We all love authority. Isn't it time you became an authority figure? Have you always wanted to get paid to stand around and yell at minorities and rapists? The West Coast leads the country in correctional facilities. Locking away half the population means a career opportunity for you. Become a correctional officer. People who've been involved in violent altercations in the workplace. Here it helps. And once you join the Correctional Officers Union, you can't get fired even if you're muling drugs to sell to inmates. Be part of the one team that's definitely winning the war on crime. PIC. joined the prison industrial complex today?
Weasel News.
Terror at the airport. Men love it, monkeys do it, and masturbating has now won fame or shame.
I find 3D street maps include upskirt shots with paid advertising.
The War on Terror.
A frightening scene at Los Santos International. Reports say there are multiple casualties and millions of dollars of damage. Terrified travelers fled for their lives as a high-speed chase across the runway involving police and unknown assailants left a trail of destruction in its path. This traveler was sympathetic.
I don't care who died. My flight's delayed now.
Ratings were improved for the recent season finale of Fame or Shame and the stunning upset by three of our closest cousins who spanked it into the history books. Despite a last-minute attempt by Tracy DeSanta to sing her way to the title with a great performance, Freudians.
All right, you're Haynes' pilot, right? We gotta wait until it's late enough, then we move in the chopper.
You can take us up. I'll get on the stick when you jump.
I'm gonna take us up to the jump spot. Feels weird not having Trevor on the stick. Feels okay to me. He might be a better pilot, but I'm less inclined to kill you in your sleep. Shit, that ain't what he says. Okay, I'm less inclined to stab you in the face and then do funny things to your corpse. That sounds about right. Hey, everyone, quick pep talk. My friend Franklin here.
Hey, come on, grab the stick. You got it. You ready? Are you?
You fucking kidding me? I'm lucky I can even breathe at this altitude, let alone calculate the odds of surviving the jump, landing, fucking firefighter, whatever else blowback there might be.
All right. There been a change of plan?
Whoa! Great. Better than an elevator. Fuck. We're in.
The server room is in the southeast corner of the building.
It's locked. I'm setting a charge.
Hey, here you go, dog. That's...
The alarm's been tripped.
Yeah, no shit. An explosion will tend to do that. I'm looking at the terminal.
Programs are on your cell phone, connected to the machine.
They better be.
You need to access my computer. Your cell will show as an external device. First, run Hack Connect. It'll establish a connection with the servers. Concentrate. You gotta find this terminal's IP in the network's view. You're looking for the IP address, that number at the top, in the mass of numbers in the middle.
Okay, connection established.
Now, to take down the firewall, run bruteforce.exe. The program will expose each character of the password as it tries different encryptions. Select them quickly, because they won't be active for long.
Okay, looks like we're in.
Good work. Start downandout.exe, and I'll do the rest from here.
Okay, people, we're rewriting history.
Security team's been deployed.
Hear that? We gotta hold them off while this thing completes its process.
Hey, we were prepared for this. Let's take...
I'm gonna stay here and make sure this download happens. Chopper! Bring... Get down to the building, be ready to go!
Airless initiated. Flying by the building.
Who's in that room on the left? Here's our... Lift!
The process ain't finished yet!
I'll hold here. Wait on your signal for pickup.
Ride this out! Look up there!
Corrupt asshole!
They're on top of us! Left side on the roof!
Hey, we'll be done here soon!
Eyes up! Left side of the roof light!
Just back up a goddamn minute!
Hey, we're taking fire from the left side of the roof! Hey, we're busy!
Up and left! More guys!
Hurry up!
MIB choppers, pick me up! Bringing it down! Incoming! They got me! Get it! Round! Move up!
Hang on, guys!
The pilot signal is totally dead.
Oh, shit, man!
Change of plan! Use the backup gear! Make our way down the building, rappel off the side!
Man, shit! They're gassing us out!
It's just a little smoke, people!
Guys, you there?
Yeah, go ahead.
The helicrash caused extensive damage. Explosion went through a couple of floors. Sprinklers brought the fire under control, but be extremely careful.
All right, got it.
Over on the right, they come!
Download complete. Get the device.
About time!
Got it. All right, people. Let's get the hell out of here.
Coming through! On your...
Let's get out of here! I got this door! Dude, body, let's move!
Hold on, I hear something in the stairwell.
Opening, here we go. You gonna step to me? Moving! Moving!
Hey, we got a problem up here. Sprinkler system. Can't see anything.
Man, can a hacker shut it off?
I'm in the system. Okay. Shutting down fire suppression.
Atta girl. Whatever we're paying you, you're worth it.
Over here, homie!
Well, he didn't.
Oh!
We're coming through! Through here!
Let's move!
Stay with me! Push, people!
Let's go!
On me! Come on!
Following you!
Get out of here!
Let's get out of here! Moving! Moving!
Out of the way!
We low enough?
Yeah, this'll do. Set up the rigs.
All right, come on.
What's going on the out?
Ground units, air units, every unit in the state is on the way. I don't know if you have the firepower to hold them off. ETA is any minute.
Over to the right, dog. Man, it's about every cop in LS County on the way.
It don't look like they're for us. Not yet, at least.
An air unit's seen you on the side of the building. Look out, guys.
Ah, crap! They got a bird!
Shit, incoming. Get your head down.
Can't move with that thing up there!
He's gone, dog. Fix the rope there, and we can get down to the street.
That's it. Gotta go.
No shit, let's get cracking, man. Unless you're feeling at home in this Fed building.
Hey, you want to side with Trevor? Feel free.
Man, I was just fucking with you, dog. Let's do this shit. The driver meant to be around front.
You gotta go, Fed!
Hey, get lost! You guys make an honest killer like me sick. Ah, crap! Where's our driver?
Hey, I'm here!
Oh, it's the ambulance! Move!
Don't use your weapons! They gotta think we're a legit ambulance!
All right, we're clear. Frank, I told Les we could use your place for a post-mortem. Hey, that was a good call on the ambulance, Eddie.
I saw what was going on in the bureau, man. I wasn't gonna drive up in something obvious.
That's the thinking we pay you to do. Whew, now we're clear, I can probably say I never expected to make it out of there.
Yeah, sure, man. We had it covered.
Oh, really? It was covered, was it?
Yeah. Lester had the plan. It was all set up.
Yeah, we had a plan. Hold off the nastiest team of crooked FIB agents in the country while the last of the baby boomers pretends he's a hacker? Come on, it was hopeful. And then when the chopper crashed, oh man, I thought there was no fucking way. Why do you think Lester burned down the business? Hell, why do you think I'm doing it for nothing? And these clowns are getting paid?
My cut's going to the kids' college fund, if that's any consolation. A couple more scores, they're taken care of. And I can think about getting out of the game.
Yeah, hey, good luck with that. Eddie, the place is up here. Can you ditch the vehicle and drop this guy where he wants to go?
I'll take care of it.
Hey, come.